Okay, so we're going to be going in. Y'all know that I love my Stacey Marie Be Perfect palettes. We're going to be going in with both of the Carnival palettes today because I love them, right? So we're going to be going into the XL Pro, and we're going to be going in with, ooh, I just dipped my fingernail into, okay, so I hate when I do that. I do that so much, like, okay, so we're going to be going into the XL Pro palette, and we're taking this fluffy brush and we're going to be going into this color, this chocolatey color. It is called Intuition. And I got my Be Perfect mirror. So I'm just going to be packing that in my crease. I've been trying to do a little bit more of like more like browns and stuff, because I know y'all want to see some neutral looks too, which y'all know I'm all about the colors. Yesterday it was funny because I was talking to an OG makeup artist, and her and her husband do movies. So he used to do hair, and now he sharpens our shears at work. And they still go on movie sets and stuff, and they know like big you know, big celebrities. Like one was Forrest Whitaker, and I was like, girl, what? And then they showed us pictures. I was like, okay, I really know them. I was like, this is crazy. So anyway, I was talking, his wife is a makeup artist, hairstylist, everything, and I was showing her some of my looks, and she was like, oh my gosh, she was like, you do a lot of colors. And I was like, I know, I'm sorry. Like, but that's just me. Like, there's some people that just really like to use colors, and then there's some people that just do neutral looks all the time. Now I know how to do the neutral looks. I just, you know, sometimes I like to be, all the time I like to be creative. So okay, so next I want to go into the other palette, which is the Love Tahiti palette, and I'm going to go in with this color right here. It's called Ginger, and if y'all see that my brush is green, it's clean, it's just stained. I can't remember what palette I used, but if y'all know how to get stains out of brushes, like white brushes, let me know. I don't think you could really prevent that from happening though, that I know of. And like I said, y'all, I think I'm doing like some type of cut crease, like per usual. I'm not quite sure yet, but I like to go pretty high when it comes to blending. I go higher with everything because I have like, my lids are kind of hooded, so not that bad, but I like to take my cut crease a tad bit higher, that way you can see. Also, I see y'all watching my videos. Like, let me know what y'all like, let me know how I'm doing, you know, let me know what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn. I'm here to teach, not just to do. So let me know what y'all like, what y'all want to see. Like, how are y'all doing throughout this pandemic we're having? Like, I want to know. Like, get more active, talk to me. Now I'm looking in both palettes, and they don't have a darker brown, so I'm gonna go into my Juvia's Place Warrior palettes, and I'm gonna go in with this dark brown. So this dark brown is gonna be darker than the one. I'm just using this BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm just gonna darken the outer corners here, darken the outer and the inner corner, and kind of take it in my crease some as well. Okay, so I did this side just to see if I like it first. I think I do. Hopefully I took it high enough. I'm gonna take this color out of the palette right here. And it's actually a highlight color. It's called Gold Luxe. But I'm gonna take it to pop on my lid. So I'm gonna take a Morphe M421. I'm just gonna pop that gold. Hopefully that's the right gold that I want. Okay, so now I'm liking it. So now we're gonna go in with Pillow Talk from the XL palette. It's gonna be this one. Then I'm gonna take I'll go back in with a little bit of ginger that I used earlier for my second color. And I'll just try to blend that out to the best of my ability. And we don't got that harsh white in the front, you know. Perfect. Okay, so I threw on a pair of lashes and I did my primer already. I did the e.l.f. Poreless Putty primer. So now I'm just gonna go in with my e.l.f. Beauty Sponge. It's a little bit damp and I'm just going to start on my foundation. Okay, so now I'm just doing my concealer, my highlight, and this is in the color 7.5, and this is the NYX, what is this? Can't Stop, Won't Stop. I'm gonna take this concealer Toast, and this is LA Girl, and I'm just gonna take a little bit, and I'm just gonna take a little bit right here and right here. After that, I'm gonna take my, this is my favorite powder to use right now, the Air Spun. You can get this at like Walgreens, Walmart, all that good stuff. And so I'm just gonna take this Real Technique sponge. Then I'm gonna take this Morphe M536 and I'm just gonna tap, tap, tap in all that product. sure all the extra powder is wiped away. Ooh. We're gonna take this from the Korean case, and it's their contour kit, their Contoursition notebook, and I'm just gonna take these two colors, mix them together, and come up with something great for the contour. Like so. And just set those places and I've contoured in. Like so. I'm gonna do a little bit up here, give me a little bit more color up here. Balance everything out. Okay, so after that, I'm going to take, let me close this up. I'm making a mess, a big mess. I'm gonna take, I was looking back at my old videos and I'm like, you know, looking at my growth and stuff, and I'm like, oh my gosh. I use this bronzer by Too Faced. It's called Sun Bunny, and it's a California Radiant Duotone bronzer. Like I said, it's called Sun Bunny from Too Faced. Look at the packaging, super pretty. And I used to use this and it used to make my skin look so good. So honey, so I'm gonna take this cute little brush here. It's a BH Cosmetics brush. I'm just going to take that and bronze my skins up. I used to use this all the time and I used to love this combo. Makes my skin look so good. Love it. After that, I'm going to take my favorite setting spray, and this is the Milani Make It Last, and I got this baby in a 6.0 fluid ounce. Normally it's like this big, so I don't know if the ounces, it might be like 2 point something or 3 something, but honey, Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. And over this gold, I just want the gold to pop some more. Like I want it to be like, it's popping, but I want it to pop some more. So I think I'm going to use this Summer, and I'm just going to like pop it right in the middle to make it pop even more. I don't know if that did anything, but hey. And then I'm gonna take this bronzed color and I'm gonna just go on the nose, on the bridge, and do a little highlighting. So make everything look good. Let me get right here. Yes. I'm thinking I want to go with this brown color here. This is from ColourPop. It's one of their ultra matte lips. I got this out of a holiday set, and this is called And Chill. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna try this on. It's a pretty brown. I'm just gonna go in. So I'm gonna just use this NYX black pencil, and then I'm gonna go in at the bottom like so, and then we're just gonna go ahead and take our brush from earlier, our Morphe M507, and we're just gonna take that color Intuition out of the Carnival palette. We're just gonna go right underneath and kind of smoke everything out. Alright y'all, and this is the finished look. I hope y'all enjoy, and yes, I'm liking it. So yeah, this is a finished look. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you guys want to see. Don't forget to head to www.giveyouface.mua to get your minks, because our minks are unmatched and you will not go back once you try them. So make sure you guys check that out, and yes, I will see you guys in my next one.